This, hindi marunong magbasa.
I don't know how do you pronounce
Listen.
that.
Hindi po ba kayo natakot sa mga tao? Ilang anak ang plano nyo ni Doc Milan?
But gusto ko one babae.
Oh, gusto niya daw one babae.
Isa babae, isa lalaki.
This one. Saan nyo ginawa si baby? Ah!
Stop asking naughty question, guys. Hello everyone.
Hi everyone! So it's been a while that we didn't do question and answer. So ngayong araw, gagawa tayo ng question and answer and
Since tomorrow we are going to see
sasagutin
doctor.
natin lahat ng mga curiosity nyo. So Milan, you go and start reading.
Okay.
This, hindi marunong magbasa.
I don't know how do you pronounce
Listen.
that. Nung una po kayong dumating sa India, hindi po ba kayo nakakot sa mga tao?
Hindi po ba kayo natakot sa mga tao?
By Nasing Ibon.
Nashing Ebon. So, may tanong si kuya dito.
What
Kuya
does
or
it mean?
ate? When I first came to India, am I not, scared of the people? Actually, guys, nung unang punta ko dito sa India, way back 2019, I'm actually scared, di ba? I told you. Like, I'm scared because they're looking at me.
Yeah.
I'm a foreigner.
Guys, in India, when you are a foreigner, people will stare at you.
Stare. Literally stare.
Just like you are, imagine Lisa Soberano is passing by and all your barangay is like this.
Well, I'm not Lisa Soberano, but,
Yeah.
but for them, it's like that.
Yeah,
kasi,
when foreigner come to India, they stare.
they stare a lot and they are not even
Stare
shy.
to death.
They are not
Yeah,
even
even
shy.
if you stare them back, they will not remove their eyes. They
Medyo
will
natakot
stare.
ako kasi what if wala si Milan?
And they will ask for picture.
Yun. Magiging celebrity ka. Feeling celebrity
Even when
ka.
we go to Taj Mahal, she did take picture with at least 4-5 people.
Na,
Group
bada.
by group.
Too much.
Yeah.
So much. It was a very good experience kasi feeling mo sobrang ganda mo, ganyan. Pero natakot ako sa mga tao nun
People
sa
here are
India.
like,
Pero as time passed by, I managed to learn.
Look alike Indian also. So they don't stare at you anymore.
No, I learned that it's just how they accept
Yeah.
foreigner, parang ganun. Makikurious talaga
You
sila.
might find a
and,
video on YouTube. Indian people
we've
staring also.
been making vlogs for quite a while now. So if you want to watch our old vlogs, you go and find it. So ilan taon?
Ilang taon po bago ninyo sundan si Little Milan po? What
How
Little
many years before how many years after we
Milan? Get married.
No. Paano ko ba sasabihin na iwawala na ako ng English, guys? For our second baby, when's the next time we are planning to do it?
3-year gap. I think
It
that's
depends.
better.
If it's cesarean, probably 3-4 years, but much better if it's 4 years.
3 to 4 year gap.
Ilang anak ang plano nyo ni Doc Milan? How many baby you want?
2 max. I don't want only one child.
Uh-uh.
I want at least 2.
Actually, I also want 2 child.
And
guys.
especially girl. I want one girl.
Gusto namin isang babae, isang lalaki. But
Isang
if God
babae,
permits,
isang lalaki.
If God permits, gusto sana namin babae yung kasunod. Pero kung dalawang lalaki
I don't want
ibigay
2
sa
boys.
amin. What if it's boy?
Not me too. So many people here also don't want 2 boys. One
What if
boy,
it's
one
2
girl.
boy?
Fine.
Kasi iniisip nila yung mga...
But gusto ko one babae.
Gusto niya daw one babae.
Isa babae, isa lalaki.
This one. From Rosemary, from Pasig. No to hate po and no to offend.
Is it real po ba ang ibang Indian ay hindi nalilig po? Your
Naliligo.
Honor, nariring ko lang po yan. Curious lang po ako, Your Honor.
Is it true that other Indians are
Hindi
not
ko alam,
taking
Your
bath?
Honor.
They're curious if other Indians are not taking bath. Is it true?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor, for other people. Ako, take bath regularly na daw.
Milan takes bath 2 times a day, morning and evening, especially kapag meron siyang duty. Pero I think other people
They do take bath, I think, mostly. But still they smell because I think we eat lot of masala.
I think so too.
Lot of onion and garlic also.
And also Milan, it's a factor kasi other Indians, they don't really take bath with they don't
Shampoo.
really wash their hair every day, guys.
Sometime, yeah.
That's one thing that you will notice kapag pumunta kayo dito sa India. Actually, my naron, Janu, and mommy, they don't wash their hair every day. They're putting oil to make their
Hair silky.
hair silky and smooth. But me, I don't have the habit of putting oil kasi feeling ko malagkit.
Yeah.
So, even though they ask me to put oil, I
But
don't
it's
put.
silky, right? After putting oil.
It's silky. Meron silang ganun. But they regularly take bath. My mother-in-law, father-in-law,
Everybody
Jano. I
in my
just don't know
family.
about other states.
Yeah,
If-
other state. In people around our area, they do.
It's very clean here. Saan nyo ginawa si baby? Where
When
did
will
you
you
make
grow?
the baby? Masyado kayo ha. You want to answer this one?
When we go on a trip in Rajasthan. To be specific, Jaipur.
Ah?
Stop asking naughty question, guys.
Kailan ka po manganganak, by the way? When are you gonna get chuta? Like, what do you call it? Delivery.
Doctor give us 5 August. But
Actually, we went earlier, right? We went earlier sa center. So, they...
government center.
Because they're taking care of their pregnant ladies
That's
here.
another video.
So, binigay nila ako ng date na August 7? August 6?
August 6.
Pero by end of July.
It varies according to baby's growth.
Baka by end of July daw
End of
manganganak
July or
na ako.
August first week.
Ang tanong ko, totoo po ba yung may ilog dyan na tinatapunan ng mga bangkay? At totoo po ba na sinusunog at kinakain ng bangkay sa ibang lugar sa India? If yes, wala bang regulations ang government dyan na ipagbawal?
What?
Is it true that there's a place wherein they are throwing the dead bodies? And is it true that they are cremating the bodies? And then they're
cremating
eating
the
it.
body. Huh? No.
Where did you hear this? Where did you hear this thing?
There is this saying that we call them Nagabawa Ghoris. They are saints or the people who leave all the material things and go to Himalayas. They don't wear any clothes. They don't possess any material stuff. They don't wear clothes. Literally, you can search Agori saints, and then you can see the documentaries on it. There is saying that they do eat human meat, and
They
they
eat
even wear the human skeleton. Yeah, sometimes even skulls of human.
Well,
Though
that's
they collected near Ganga River, where people burn bodies because it's very holy there. From there,
But there's holy river wherein they throw the ashes.
Ashes.
Not the real dead
First,
person.
if person is dead, then we will bring them to the nearest
Cremation.
river where there will be cremation center near the river always, and then they burn the body. And after all the ashes they collected, and then they put it in the river. And
Is
all
there
the
a
people,
regulation?
No. And then the people who come with them, they will all take bath in the river first before putting the ashes.
Cremated.
Yeah.
So ganun pala. That's why my father-in-law is bringing towel.
Yeah, towel. They will all bring towel when they are going to burn the
So
body.
they can take bath.
No, it's
Old custom.
yeah, old custom. Nowadays they take bath only after coming back.
Dito
to
kasi,
home.
guys-
They will just put their feet in the river, like for only.
I will tell you properly, guys. When someone died in here, kapag merong namatay dito, magpupunta yung mga lalaki na merong mga towel kasi I think it's because they cannot touch anything at home. So
Yeah.
when they go home, they're already clean, no? I think that's part.
Yes.
So magpupunta sila, yung mga lalaki lang yung sasama doon sa my cremation site. Dito sa village namin, I don't know about city, but here in the village, ito yung kaugalian. So, the guy will be the one who will go to the cremation site and then maliligo sila dun sa ilog. And then, after maligo ng mga tao na umattend dun sa cremation, tatapon na nila yung ashes dun sa ilog. Pero I don't know about eating the dead people.
No,
Just
not
like
everybody do
I
it.
don't think it's
Only
very...
one place, only Agori people do it. That too, I don't know if everybody
I
is
haven't
doing
heard that thing yet.
Yeah.
And it's different also when it comes to city, ha? So, don't Paano yun po siya nakakatulog kung 48 hours ang duty niya? Kawawa naman si Doc Milan. How are you able to sleep if you have 48
Not
hours
48.
duty?
I do 72 hours.
Sometimes, very, malakas.
Before I went to Philippines the first time, I did around 9 days continuous duty.
Every day.
9 days, 24 hours. But I just sleep 2 hour, 3 hour when there is no patient. There is a gap, right? At night, after 1 or 2 o'clock, patient will stop coming because everybody is sleeping. Mostly accidental or very painful patient will only come, right? So that time I am able to sleep 2,
Kasi
3 hours.
senior na si Milan doon eh. So, pinagkakatiwalaan na siya to do 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours duty. Kahit sunod-sunod, kaya niyang i-handle.
Then I have very long break also. I can enjoy long break.
So,
Mostly I am at home. After doing 2-3 days of duty, I am home like 1 week or 1.5 week.
Actually, kung bibilangin natin, kasi nag-duty siya ng 24 hours, I think 5 to 7 times lang siya pumapasok sa isang buwan. So, very good talaga yung trabaho niya nakuha
I'm mostly
dito.
at home.
And kilala siya ng mga tao sa hospital kasi matagal na siya nagtatrabaho doon. Hindi ba dual citizen ang anak mo? In India,
No,
is there a
in
dual
India we
citizenship?
don't allow dual citizenship.
So, it's either Filipino or Indian.
Yeah.
So, it's gonna be Indian, guys. I told you, right? Indian citizen yung magiging baby namin. And then, I think there will be e-visa already, Milan. You can
Philippines is going for e-visa. Yeah.
E-visa.
We have
So, we are
already
waiting
e-visa,
for
but
that.
yeah, if Philippines have e-visa, it's very easy.
We are just waiting for that.
Yeah.
Pansin ko lang, di po ba uso yung crib or some baby stops? Wala po kasi ako nakikita na ni-ready nyo kasi malapit na kayong mga anak. Di ba uso dyan sa province yun, sa mga latest thing na baby? Donna Firm is asking if we are not gonna buy crib or baby stuff for the baby because we are in the province. Is it not the trend here? So he's
No,
she's
actually
asking
buying lot of baby stuff is not a trend here all over India. Mostly, probably in
cities.
very big city and very rich people probably do it, but it's not a big trend because they don't use it after every 2 months you have to change the clothes and then they don't use it after all.
Guys, we are buying baby stuff.
But we have lot of this
dami naming biniling mga
this
baby
cupboard is
stuff.
full of babies clothes.
But actually, other people are saying like, don't buy too much kasi they will just grow.
We bought so much and they are surprised. But why are you buying so many clothes? It will be just ruined where baby is growing.
But as you can see, we did not do renovation sa house. We will just be buying crib to separate the baby para meron siyang higaan. But they don't do that here. They don't run probably
Even most of the people don't even buy crib. They just sleep with the baby with the
yes,
on
but
the bed.
for me, since
There is some different thing. Guryu.
yes, duyan. It's like
Yeah.
duyan. Merong duyan
It's
dito,
crib
guys.
also. They sleep in that one.
But it's a cheaper version of crib. But we will be buying crib, guys. Like last time, we are already canvassing. We'll buy crib for the baby kasi this is our first baby, obviously. We want to give the best for our baby. We just didn't renovate the house but
Which we don't want to.
it's
It's old house and we don't
we
want
don't
to
want to
renovate
do
it.
anything with our own house.
We
We'll
will just
build
buy
new
a
house.
new one.
So, ayun. But we buy baby stuff.
We have a dream for our proper house. So we
we're
are not going to spend any
anything.
money on this old house. To
Kahit na
renovate it or
sabihin nyo,
make it
even
look
though
good.
they say that house is already old,
No,
very
no, no,
ugly
no.
na.
We
don't
have proper
care.
financial management, guys. We don't like to spend our money on stuff that is depreciated.
Even the bathroom and everything, we don't
It's fine.
as long as it's
As long
already.
as we can live properly, it's fine.
There's nothing I can dream of anymore. Like it's okay,
we
I'm
have
okay
everything.
with this one. So many questions, guys. Last na, we will be answering this question na. At I'm just curious, since mahilig sila sa masala, ano po yung smell ng bahay and clothes nyo? Dumidikit po ba yung smell sa damit? Did you understand?
Yeah.
What?
Don't you smell your clothes and house like masala?
Like, because you guys are eating a lot of masala, does it
No,
smell?
we don't smell because masala box are packed. But after we eat,
I'll be honest. You tell them the truth.
I don't smell because I am adapted already.
Actually, guys, when I first
Adjusted
came,
already to these smells and
when I
body and
when I
everything.
first came here in India, especially when you're gonna go to a restaurant, you can really smell the
Yeah, in restaurant you can because they use lot of masala.
and onion. But here in our house, guys,
In house, you don't.
we don't use onion.
And
So,
you don't use lot of masala in food also in house. But
because-
in outside food, there is lot of masala.
And dumidikit talaga. It's really
Sticky?
stinking.
Stinking.
What Ang tawag doon na naubos na yung English ko, guys? Pregnancy
Spicy.
brain. All my vocabularies are gone. Parang ano, guys, dumidikit talaga yung amoy sa mga damit. Totoo yun. You cannot deny that fact.
Yeah, probably.
The masalas.
Yeah, in outside stalls, you can smell masala.
Especially those people, especially in the Philippines, if you manage to see Indian, and you're not used to the taste of the Indian masala, Indian spices, you might
You will.
misinterpret na yun yung amoy nila. But actually, it's the smell of the masala. It's the smell of the spices.
Masala
guys.
bring very good taste.
Masarap yung pagkain nila pero mababagsik yung amoy talaga. So, other people are misinterpreting na yun yung amoy ng mga Indians. Pero hindi po, yung mga masala yun yung naaamoy nyo. And regarding sa bahay, sometimes it's smelly if we are cooking very
Lengthy process food.
lengthy processed food like amoy oil, smells like oil. So, we have that sprayer. We will spray the whole house
To remove the smell. And then
para
we open
maalis
all the
yung
door.
smell.
So air will go out.
So, ayun guys, our video is very long already.
Okay.
So, next time if you have another questions, you put the comment down below. So, next time we will be answering it again. So, I'll see you all tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.